everyone, I greet you and welcome you back to my channel. This is a continuation tutorial video on Gmail. I already dropped a video on where I talk about how to sign up and sign in on Gmail, how to customize your interface, your Gmail interface. Now when you look at my interface, you will notice that I have a nice background. So that's how I customize my interface. That is me customizing my interface. And my initial video I also talk about how to delete and also retrieve deleted messages and also how to reply and forward messages. The reply button is always facing the left, while the forward button is always facing the right. But in this video, I'll be talking about how to create signatures, how to create templates, how to create labels. Here, these are good features you need to know on Gmail. But before I go into the video, I want you guys to please support your boy, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so when I drop an authentic video, you'll be notified. So let's dive into it. Now, like I said earlier, I will be talking about how to create signatures, how to create templates, and how to create a label. Those three things. And the first thing we're talking about is how to create signatures. As signatures are very important, especially if you are using your mail for a business purpose. Why did I say that? When you create a signature, you can name it your company's name, you can use the company's address as signature, you can use your company's phone number as signature, you can use your position if you are CEO, if you are the manager, the owner of the company, you can use it. You can also insert link, your business web page link to it. So creating signature is very important, very vital. So how can we create signature? There are two ways you can go about it. Which the first thing is to come to compose. When you come to compose, where you type in your message, where you compose your message, you need to add some tabs. You will go to where you have insert signature. This is a signature I have on my mail. So that's how to get signature. Another way to go about it is for you to come to your settings and click on settings, click on see all settings. When you get to this interface, scroll down to where you have signature. Yeah. So I'll have to delete this signature, then create another one so you can see delete. That's how you can delete your signature. Create a new signature. Which name do you want to put? Let's say Tesla. Tesla. Create. Part here is your signature. Do you want to put your company's name, which is a Tesla? Do you want to put your company's address, link, insert your company's web page? What do you want to do? So now I will put Tesla manager. I'll be using position Tesla manager. I'm just going to Tesla, type in Tesla manager. Yeah, so we are done typing. You highlight it to make a good and nice edit of your text. At this point, so you can choose a font for it. Yeah, and this here you can make it bold, make it italic, put a line under here, and you can make a background color for it. Here is align. Which position do you want it to be? Is it by the right or by the left? So I'll make it by the right here, right here. So you can also create another signature as well, as many as you want. So when you're done, come to this side and make sure it's being marked, else there'll be a line that precedes before your signature. And when you are done, you scroll down and you click on Save Changes. It is a must. You must click on Save Changes. Now we're done. Let's see if our signature has been created. Compose. Here you have to insert the recipient's mail, subject, why is sending it, and this is your message, body of a message. Now you come down to where you have insert signature and click on Tesla. Can you see? That is what we call signature. And I'll show you guys on how to delete signature. So that is that about signature. The next thing we'll be doing is how to create templates. Templates are very, very important. Let me make a scenario by people register to people subscribe to your newsletter or something like that. And you want to you need to give a welcome message instead of creating a welcome message every time someone subscribes to your newsletter. All you have to do is to create a template. So you just go to your template, click on it, and insert the person's or the client's um, mail address and send. Simple, right? Let's go. Now, for you to create template, the first thing you need to do is what? Come to settings, see all settings, come to advanced, then make sure you enable your templates. Make sure you enable your templates. Then you scroll down and click on save changes. Is that good? I hope you can decipher what I'm saying. Now, how can we now create our template message? Come to compose. At this subject, what do you want to put? What is the reason behind it? Okay, it is a welcome message. Let's just put a welcome message for people who subscribe to our newsletter or whatever. A welcome you to our newsletter. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, welcome you. So after we are done writing, onto this vertical ellipse, more options, click on template. Then you are going to save it as template. Save as template. Now this welcome message. It says enter a new template name. It says welcome message. This is the subject of the message. And you can, if you want to change it. So I'm not changing it. This is a welcome message. Click on save. Let me delete this. Yeah. So I'll go to compose. And here you can now input recipient address. So when you are done, after the recipient address, come to this vertical ellipse again, come to template, come here, says welcome message. Now you can see welcome message. So that is that. So the next day, you also have to go to your when someone subscribes to your newsletter, subscribe to your channel, subscribe to whatever, you can go to your template, click on it, and send. As easy as that. Instead of you writing welcome you to our blah 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 every day when someone subscribes to your newsletter or subscribe to whatever you're doing, So template make it very easy for us to just tap 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 tap. You get what I'm saying? So that is that about template. Now for you to delete templates here, before we go, come to template, click on delete template and come to delete template here. You come to welcome message, then you delete. So let's go to compose and see if our template is in there. To tell you that no fugas here. Can you see? The initial time we created it was here, but now, so that is that about template. The next thing you are going to do is how to create labels. Now when we see labels is for you to organize or to categorize your message. And when you go to, you are used to Yahoo Mail, used to AOL Mail, there it says folder, but on Gmail it says label. Now for instance, this is what we call label. I know you have been seeing this on most Tesla. Now I can, let me delete this. How to create a label? All you have to do is click on the message. Now if you have a customer that do send you message, or you have a client that do send you message, or you subscribe to a newsletter, so for you to know, okay, this is a message from this social company, message from this social client, or this is the message I subscribed. This is a newsletter message that I subscribed for. So you have is to create a label for it so that it will be very easy for you to able to identify it. What you have to do is mark the message, just the client or the message for the newsletter you subscribe for. When you mark it, some tabs are going to appear on the upper part. Go to where you have labels. Go to where you have labels. Create new label. Then type in your label. Let me see for Nigeria. Yeah, Nigeria. I'll just create. Now what you notice, this is the message I marked here. What can you see in Nigeria? So at this label part, what does it appear here? Can you see Nigeria? It says one message. Now when I move my cursor to it, when I move my cursor to it, there's a vertical ellipsis there. So I'm going to mark here at the initial space there, label color. So I'm going to give it a color for easy identification. Now can you see this message you marked here? Can you see Nigeria? So that is what labels are used for. Now if we want to move the message, now I created a label to apply to a message. Now for you to create a label and move the message to the label, you just have to come to this point. Please enter label. Let's say mass. Yeah. Then I'm going to pick a message from here. Then I'll go to move to. Then I'll go to mass. So to view that, you just have to go to mass here, and this is the message you moved. Now, one thing you should know that the mask you created doesn't appear here, but this other one that we created, in which we initially marked it and attached label to it, it, it the label is being attached to the message here. Can you see this? So when we check through here, we did not find mask. Also find mask. So this process is you moving your message to the label, and this process is you attaching a label to a message. I hope you can decipher the difference. You are moving a message to a label, and you are attaching a label to a message. So that is that. So that will be all. Now a bonus tip is how can you check if your mail has an autocorrect, your autocorrect is being enabled, your grammar is being enabled, and your spell check is being enabled. To check that, come to settings, see all settings. Then you scroll down, grammar is on, spelling is on. So whenever you make an error while typing, there's a grammar suggestion that you can use. There's spelling suggestion and there's also an autocorrect. So that is that for this video. I want you to please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you know you've gain one or two knowledge from this video, please in the comment section type in knowledge. And if you know you haven't gained anything at all, peradventure, make sure you like this video as well. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to get one or two things. And also watch my other videos to gain one or two knowledge from it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your time and have a blessed day.